Indian place value chart. Look at the Indian place value chart shown here. To read and write large numbers, we use this place value chart. In this place value chart, the 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. These are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. From the right, first 3 places form the ones period. Next 2 places form the thousands period. Next 2 places form the lakhs period, and the next 2 places form the crores period. While reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together, and the name of the period except the ones is read along with them. Let us read these numbers. 23,58,984. 5 crore 3,94,681. Let us write the numbers for the following number names. Many countries use the International Place Value Chart, which is shown here. Here, the first 9 places are grouped into 3 periods, namely ones, thousands and millions. We can read and write large numbers in International System of Numeration as we read and write numbers in Indian System of Numeration. While writing a number in International Place Value System, we put commas after every 3 digits from the right. So let us read these numbers using International Place Value System. 439,168. 1,201,590. Read as 25,500,109. Now let us see the relationship between Indian and International Place Value Chart. From this table we can see that 10 crore is equal to 100 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000.
Out the place value of a number. Each digit in a number has its own value, depending upon its position in the place value chart. Let us understand this by solving few examples. What is the place value of each of the 9 in the number shown in both the systems of numbering? Let us start with the Indian system. Here, the place value of the 9 on the right is 9 into 100 is equal to 900. The place value of the 9 in the middle is 9 into 10 lakh is equal to 90 lakh. Lastly, the place value of the 9 on the left is 9 into 10 crore is equal to 90 crore. Now, let us see the place values of 9 in the international system. We will start from the right. 9 into 100 is equal to 900. 9 into 1 million is equal to 9 million. And 9 into 100 million is equal to 900 million. Now, let us look at another example. What is the place value of 5 in the number shown in both the systems of numbering? In the Indian system, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1 crore is equal to 5 crore. And in the international system, the place value of 5 is 5 into 10 million is equal to 50 million. Wasn't it easy to find out the place values in both the systems?